Well, hello, and let me show you around here in Blackboard for our course. If you'll take a note here of all of these different tabs that you have available on the left-hand side, you can see that a line clearly shows different sections of this menu bar. So this first section you'll be using quite a bit. In it, the Start Here button, and when you click on that, these things will open up. You'll see a welcome video from me and this navigational video that you've already opened. The next really important tab is the Syllabus tab. When you open that, your syllabus will show up. Inside your syllabus, which I've just dragged onto the desktop here, inside your syllabus you'll find all kinds of important information regarding the course, the materials that you need, the software that we use, a video that shows how to get connected to this thing called Connect. It is the publisher's platform in which you will do some Learn Smarts, and your exams are hosted there as well. It talks about your textbook, which you do not have to go purchase. And as you scroll down through this, you will find a lot of important information. I highly recommend that you jot those things down there, the phone numbers and the websites to tech support, whether it be at Forsyth Tech through Blackboard or Connect's tech support. And as you scroll down further, you'll find the distribution of the assignments for the grades that you'll be getting. And at the very bottom, disability supports if you need it. And that's pretty much it for the syllabus. Let me now show you, when you click on Course Schedules tab over here, you will find the course menu, the course schedule and calendar. When you open that, this is what opens up. So let me pull this out and open it for you. I have divided things into weeks. So you'll see the weeks with the dates here written on the left-hand side. And in the center column, it's talking about the ebook readings, what chapter you're to read, and the Learn Smart that goes with it. So here, the first week where you're going to be working on Chapter 1, Introduction to Human Communication. And this on the right-hand side talks about the assignments that are due in this. So there you have it. That is how you read the calendar, which was found here. In this How This Works folder, there are a ton of different helpful folders and files for you. How to communicate with me. So you can see here a whole file on how to communicate with me. When you want to go back one, you just click here, How This Course Works, and then you can see all the different things that are in this. And let me pull that down a little bit further so you can see. So up here is where I was talking about. Anytime you want to navigate back one folder, you just click here. NC Live, you're going to be doing some research on your speech at the end, so this resource will be helpful. When you format and cite things, this is a helpful guide for how to do that. I use the MLA guide. And let's see, as we scroll on up, there's other helpful things down here as well that you can open up. There's articles on persuasion and helpful tidbits on public speaking. So going back over here to our menu bar, we've talked about Start Here. We've talked about the syllabus button, so it's in two places. You can find it in the Start Here, but you can also find the syllabus here. We've talked about this course schedule and policies, which has a whole bunch of information in those folders. But where your main units, which are weekly units, are housed, and where all the assignments are housed, are in this tab here called Coursework. So when I click on it, you can see it is aligned by week and then chapter. Scrolling all the way down through this. and you just, this here gives you an overview of it, but you click on the title in order to go into it, and then you can see all the different things listed inside of it. And again, as I scroll up to get back one, so we're in week 1, chapter 1's folder. If I want to go back to coursework, I can click here or here on the left hand menu bar. Okay. So this section here is our quick links. If you want to go straight to the announcements, you click there. Instructor contact, you click here. Tells you a little bit about me. Blackboard tools opens up and you have all these types of tools that you can use. One of the tools here is My Grades, but we've also provided a much quicker link over here to your grades as well for this course. And I do use discussion board posts, so your discussion boards are here. So when you click on that, you can see the different discussion boards. And I wanted to pop into here because I have these 2 special ones. Student questions for the instructor. So anytime you go in here and ask a question, I'll post my response in here, which makes it visible to all the students in case other students have questions on the same thing. Also, student to student coffee house, this is if you want to talk to your peers without being graded or without any interaction with me, then this is where you can go for that. The course entry assignment is extremely important. You must do this before 11:59 on August 25th, or you risk being dropped from the class and not allowed to participate into this class. So click here and answer the prompt questions, and then you need to go back and respond to at least 2 other students in order to fulfill the need by August 25th. So I highly suggest not waiting to the last date, because then you don't have time to go back in and respond to 2 other people. Okay. Technical support, if you have tech support, here is the spot to go for that. You can fill out a ticket. There's a chat and the phone number there. And then Blackboard tutorials. If you're brand spanking new to Blackboard and online training, then Blackboard tutorials are your best friend. Here you can click and search for whatever item that you are needing, or enter into the search bar what you need to find so that you can proceed. This pretty much wraps up everything that I wanted to show you in our course and in Blackboard. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask them here in this discussion post or send me an email. Good luck, and I hope you have a wonderful semester. Thank you.